Hello, welcome RM Tech Network Consultants. Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn something very important for every network engineer. How to back up and restore a FortiGate firewall configuration. As you already know, FortiGate is one of the top enterprise firewalls in the world, and mastering it can open doors to high-paying jobs and real-world network security skills. Every company needs security, and knowing how to protect and recover configurations is a must-have skill. In this tutorial, I will show you two different methods to perform backup and restore. First, we will use the GUI graphical user interface, the easy and visual way. Then we will go deeper using the CLI command line interface, the professional way used by experts. By the end of this video, you will be able to secure your firewall configs, recover them anytime, and avoid critical data loss in real-world environments. So, whether you are a beginner or advancing to pro level, this lesson is going to be very valuable for you. Let's get started. First, I will take a FortiGate Firewall. It is version its version is a 7.0.9, and also I will take a cloud. Okay, then I will connect directly port 1. Then I will start the FortiGate firewall, then console. I will wait a small seconds to reboot. Now is starting system maintenance. The system is going down now. Restarting system. Now is starting. Okay, now it asks a login. In our login default login is a admin. This one is a blank password. You can pass enter, then enter the new password, and then confirm the new password. Then we will start config system interface edit port 1. Okay, the port is this port, this that's connected for the cloud, and then set mode DHCP, set allow access, ping HTTP and SSH. Then end. After you will make a get system inter get system interface physical. Okay, now it gives dynamically IP address. So I will copy this IP address. Then I will come into the Firefox web browser. Then paste in here. Then click enter. Okay, in our username was admin and in our password. Then click login. Not now. Okay, later. Don't show again. Okay. Okay. This one is the dashboard in our FortiGate firewall. And this one is the network interface that's connected directly for the cloud. So in our first step, we will go the admin and then click configuration and then click backup. Okay. There are two options making backup system configuration, and in this one is show you that you can make a backup for your local PC or USB disk. So first in this video I will show you for the local disk, then I will click, and there is another way encryption here that you can make and backup for encryption. All your backup can make encryption all your backup. So in our first step I will show you in this, then click OK. When you click OK, it shows you the notepad that is make for the all backup configurations. Okay, so this one is the backup in our FortiGate firewall configuration. So in the next step, then you will go click system configuration and restore. Okay, after when you make the restore, you will click upload. After when you click the upload, it will go download this, then you will click FortiGate. You will go FortiGate backup configuration. Okay, so if you make okay, it will reboot for all the system. So that's the first step that you can make. In the next step, you can make admin configuration backup, then you will make encryption, then you will enter the password. It means you will add the password for your backup, then confirm, then click OK. Now not save the username. Okay, now it makes an encryption backup. Yeah, this one is the encryption backup that it makes in our backup. So there are Okay, in the next step, this one is the GUI or graphic user interface backup and restore. In the next step, I will show you the CLI command. So to make a backup CLI command, first you need to download TFTP 64. So after when you run the TFTP 64, you will select the IP address of your browser. The IP address of my FortiGate firewall is a 192.168.52.216. So I will select my default gateway of my FortiGate firewall IP address, and it is 192.168.52.1. Go. Then after that, you will go the CLI, you will go the browse, and then you will select download this. Then okay, download this, and then you will select FortiGate backup config. Then click OK. So you will go the CLI, and then you will write execute backup config TFTP, the folder of your backup, FortiGate backup config, and then you will enter the IP address 192.168.52.1. Then click enter. Please wait connected to FTP server. Sending config file to TFTP server is okay. Then you will minimize. Then you will go. Then you will make a show directory. It shows you the FortiGate backup in here. So the time is 4:13 to 2026. So that is the second CLI command that makes for the restore and backup. So thank you, and we will see you in the next video.